Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject mathematics, term 2, chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is division. Lecture number 5. Today's topics are practice of simple division sums without remainder and introduction of division sums with remainder. So beta, today we will do simple division sums, practice of those sums, as well as we will learn how to solve the sums of division with remainder. Okay. Divide and find quotient and remainder of page number 36. So beta, today we will start from part E because we have done part A to D in our last lecture. Okay. So in E part, it is given divide 28 by 7. So here you can see that 28 is the dividend. So we will write here dividend. Okay, 28. Okay, and here we will write this is the dividend. Okay, beta. Now we have to write the divisor, and here 7 is the divisor. So here at the left hand side we will write 7 and this is the divisor. Okay. Now we have to speak the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. So here we will write 28 below 28. Okay. Now we have to write the quotient. So here we will write 4. ठीक है, 7 की टेबल में 4 नंबर पे आया बेटा 28. So here 4 is the quotient. Now we have to subtract it. So we will put the sign of minus. Okay. Now start 8 minus 8, that is equal to 0. Okay. And 2 minus 2 is also equal to 0. So here we will write 0. So in this question we have quotient is 4. Okay. So we'll write here quotient and 0 is the remainder. Okay. So बेटा ये जो क्वेश्चन है इसके अंदर जब 0 रिमाइंडर आता है, इन सम्स को हम क्या बुलाते हैं? विदाउट रिमाइंडर सम्स. ठीक है, विदाउट रिमाइंडर सम्स. So here we will write its answer that Q is equal to 4. Okay, and R is equal to 0. Clear? Now in F part, it is given divide 45 by 5. So here you can see 45 is the dividend. So here we will write in between 45 and that is the dividend. Okay. Now 5 is the divisor. So here beta we will write divisor. Okay, at the left hand side. Now we have to speak the table of 5. So let's start. 5 की टेबल में हमने देखना है कि 45 कौन से नंबर पे आया. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45. So at the number 9, 45 comes. So here we will write 45 below 45. ठीक है, 45 के नीचे हम 45 लिख देंगे और यहाँ पे क्वोशंट के प्लेस पे we will write 9. Okay. Now we have to subtract. So we will put the sign of subtraction. That is minus sign. Now we have to subtract 5 minus 5 and that is equal to 0. So here we will write 0 at 1's place and here at 10's place 4 minus 4, that is also equal to 0. So here we will write 0. Okay. So here quotient is 9. Okay. So we will write quotient here and 0 is the remainder. So here we will write remainder. And how we can write its answer? That is quotient means Q. Okay. So Q is equal to 9 and R is equal to 0. Okay. Now in G part, it is given that divide 50 by 5. Okay. So here beta 50 is the dividend. So we will write here 50 and we will write dividend here. Okay. मैम ये आपको बार बार लिखकर क्यों दिखा रही है? ताकि आपको पता चल जाए कि डिविडेंड कौन सा होता है, डिवाइजर कौन सा होता है, क्वोशंट एंड रिमाइंडर कौन सा होता है. ओके बेटा. नाउ वी हैव टू राइट डिवाइजर. सो हियर वी विल राइट एट द लेफ्ट साइड 5 and 5 is the divisor. So here we will write divisor. Okay. नाउ वी हैव टू स्पीक द टेबल ऑफ 5. अब 5 की टेबल में बेटा 5 आता है, ठीक है, तो हम 5 1s are 5 करेंगे. हमारे पास यहाँ 2 प्लेसेस है ना, 1s and 10s, तो 5 1s are 5 होता है, तो हम 5 के नीचे 5 लिखेंगे सबसे पहले. ओके, सो कौन से नंबर पे आता है, दैट इज एट 1 number. Okay, so we will write 1 here at quotient place. Okay, now we have to subtract 5 minus 5. Okay, so 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So here we will write 0. Now बेटा जो हमारा 0 ये बच गया वंस प्लेस वाला, इसे हम नीचे लेकर आएंगे. So we will make arrow here. हम इस तरह से एक एरो बनाएंगे और इस एरो के थ्रू हम इस 0 को यहाँ लेकर आएंगे. Okay, now we have to divide 0 by 5. And I told you earlier there is a property of 0. Okay, when we divide 0 by 5, okay, we get 0. So here we will write at quotient place 0. Okay, so now beta you can see that here the quotient is 1 0 10. Okay, and we will write here quotient, and here 0 is the remainder. So we can say that in this question we have answer quotient yani Q 10 and remainder yani R 0. Understood beta? Now in each part it is given that divide 42 by 6. Okay, so here beta 42 is the dividend, so here we will write 42. Okay, and here we will write dividend. Okay, now we have to write divisor, and here 6 is the divisor, so at the left hand side we will write a 6. Okay, and divisor also. Now we have to speak the table of 6. Okay, so let's start. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 30. Now in I part, it is given divide 27 by 9. So here you can see that 27 is the dividend. So here we will write 27. Now beta I am not writing dividend here. Okay, अब आपको पता चल गया, हम सिर्फ आपको बता रही हैं here 27 is the dividend and 9 is the divisor. So here we will write a divisor at divisor's place. Okay, now we have to speak the table of 9. 9 की टेबल में हमें देखना है कि 27 कौन से नंबर पे आता है. So let's start speaking table of 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. So here we will write 27 below 27 क्योंकि 9 की टेबल में 27 आता है. At which place? 3. So we will write here 3. ठीक है. So now we have to subtract it. So 7 minus 7, पहले हम ones place को subtract करते हैं बेटा. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So here we will write a 0 at ones place. And 2 minus 2 is also equal to 0. So here we will write a 0. Okay. So here quotient is 3. So here we will write a 3. ठीक है, यहाँ पर 3 के पास हम लिखेंगे quotient. And here 0 is the remainder. So here we will write a remainder. And in the answer, how we can write? Q is equal to 3 and R is equal to 0. Okay. Now, in next J part, divide 18 by 6. So here 18 is the dividend. So first of all we will write dividend here. Okay. And 6 is the divisor. So here we will write a 6 at the left side. Now we have to speak the table of 6. So let's start. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So here we will write 18 below 18. Okay, and at quotient place we will write 3. Now we have to put the subtraction sign, okay, and start subtraction. 8 minus 8, at ones place 8 is given, so 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So here we will write 0 at ones place, and 1 minus 1 is also equal to 0, so here we will write 0. So we can say that 3 is the quotient, so here we will write quotient, ठीक है बेटा, and 0 is the remainder. और बेटा जब हमारा रिमाइंडर 0 होता है तो हम उसे बोलते हैं, उन सम्स को बोलते हैं विदाउट रिमाइंडर सम्स, ठीक है, simple division या without a remainder sum. So how we can write its answer? That is quotient 3, okay, and remainder 0. Now the next one, K part. Divide 36 by 6. So here you can see that 36 is the dividend. So here first of all we will write dividend 36, okay, and 6 is the divisor. So here we will write the divisor at the left side. Okay, now we have to speak the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36. So here we will write 36 below 36, okay, and 6 at quotient place. Okay, now we have to subtract, so we will have to put sign here. Okay, हमने यहाँ पर sign लगा दिया बेटा subtraction का. Now subtract ones place 6 minus 6, and 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, and 3 minus 3 is also equal to 0. So we will write here 0. So here 6 is the quotient, so we will write here 6 quotient, ठीक है, QUOTIENT quotient, and 0 is the remainder, so here we will write REMAINDER remainder. So how we can write its answer? That is Q 6 and R 0. Now the next one is L part. In this divide 42 by 7. अभी हमने पीछे एक सम किया था, उसमें हमने 42 को 6 से डिवाइड किया था. Now we are dividing 42 by 7. Okay, so first of all we will write here 42. 42 is the dividend, okay, and 7 is the divisor. So here we have to speak the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42. So we will write here 42 below 42, ठीक है, 42 के नीचे हम 42 लिखेंगे, and at number 6 it comes, so यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे 6, ठीक है, 7 6 are 42. Now we will put the sign of subtraction here. Now subtract 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So here we will write 0 at ones place, and 4 minus 4 is also equal to 0. So again we will write one more 0. Okay. So now here 6 is the quotient. So we'll write quotient here, and 0 is the remainder. So here we will write a remainder. Okay. Now we have to write its answer. So answer is Q 6 and R 0. Clear beta? Now the next one is introduction of division sums with remainder. So beta, now we will learn how to solve these type of sums in which a remainder is there. Okay. So in these type of sums, after dividing, there is a leftover part called remainder. ठीक है, इन क्वेश्चंस में क्या होता है बेटा, इक्वली डिवीजन करने के बाद कुछ ना कुछ लेफ्ट ओवर पार्ट हमारे पास बच जाता है, जिसे हम कहते हैं रिमाइंडर. अंडरस्टूड? सो लेट्स सी विद एन एग्जांपल. So here in example number 1, it is given divide 37 by 8. So first of all 37 is the dividend, we will write dividend here, okay, and 8 is the divisor. So we will write a divisor at the left side, okay, 8 and divisor also. Now beta, we have to speak the table of 8, ठीक है, but we know that in the table of 8 37 तो आता नहीं है बेटा 8 की टेबल में. So in these type of questions, when dividend is not come in the table of divisor, इन टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में हम क्या करते हैं बेटा, हम साइड पे उस नंबर की टेबल लिख लेते हैं. ठीक है, डिवाइजर क्या है 8, तो यहाँ पर साइड पे 8 की टेबल लिखेंगे हम। कहाँ तक लिखनी है ये टेबल? जब तक डिविडेंड से बड़ा नंबर नहीं आता। सो लेट्स राइट टेबल ऑफ 8 1 जार 8, 8 2 जार 16, 8 3 जार 24, 8 4 जार 32, 8 5 जार 40। तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास 40 आ गया। 40 is greater than 37, so we cannot write below 40 below 37, ठीक है। तो हम 40 जो है 37 के नीचे नहीं लिख सकते बेटा, सो वी विल कट दिस नंबर। जो बड़ा नंबर आया है उसे हमने कट करना है, और जो 40 से ऊपर वाला नंबर है हमारी 8 की टेबल में, वो हमें इसके नीचे लिखना है 37 के नीचे। सो वी विल राइट 32 below 37, ओके, लाइक दिस। नाउ कौन से नंबर पे है बेटा ये? 1 2 3 4, सो हियर 4 इज द क्वोशंट, तो 4 हम लिख देंगे क्वोशंट के प्लेस पे। Okay, now we have to subtract, so we will put the sign of minus here. Now keep 7 in your mind and open your two fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 6 5, so we will write 5 here at ones place. Okay, and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, so here we will write 0 at tens place. So you can say that here 4 is the quotient, so we will write here quotient, ठीक है, and 5 is the remainder, so here we will write remainder. Clear? So in answer how we can write that 4 quotient यानी q is 4 and our remainder यानी 5. Okay, now in example number 2 it is given divide 29 by 9. So here beta we have to write dividend first of all, and here dividend is 29, so we'll write 29 here, okay, and dividend also, and 9 is the divisor, so here at the left side we will write 9, okay, and this is the divisor. Now beta we know that in the table of 9 29 तो आता नहीं है बेटा, so what we have to do, we have to write the table of 9 here at the side, ठीक है। 9 की हम टेबल लिखेंगे यहाँ पर साइड पे। So let's start. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. तो 29 से बड़ा नंबर आ गया हमारे पास 36. Now we have to cut this number. So we will cut it. Okay, and we have to write 27 below 29. So here we will write 27. ठीक है, 29 के नीचे हम 27 लिख देंगे. Now at which number it comes? 1 2 3. तीसरे नंबर पे आया बेटा, so here 3 is the quotient, okay, and put the sign of minus. Now keep 9 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 8 7 6 5 4 3 2. So here at ones place we will write 2, okay, and 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0, so here we will write 0 at tens place. So we can say that here 3 is the quotient, तो यहाँ पर हम quotient लिख देंगे, and 2 is the remainder. Understood beta? Clear? So how we can write its answer? That Q is 3, okay, and R is 2, okay. Now remember means बेटा याद रखने वाली जो बातें होती हैं, इसके अंदर हमें क्या चीज याद रखनी है? The answer of a division sum is called the quotient. जो आंसर होता है डिवीजन सम का, उसे हम क्या बुलाते हैं? क्वोशिएंट बुलाते हैं. And the remainder is always less than the divisor. जो हमारा रिमाइंडर आता है बेटा वो हमेशा डिवाइजर से छोटा होता है, ठीक है, डिवाइजर से वो बड़ा कभी भी नहीं होता. अगर आपका रिमाइंडर जो है वो डिवाइजर से बड़ा आ रहा है, इट मींस आपका सम क्या है? रॉन्ग. अंडरस्टूड? होमवर्क, डिवाइड द फॉलोइंग सम्स, ठीक है, आपने इन सम्स को करना है बेटा अपनी नोटबुक में. 63 डिवाइडेड बाय 7, 56 डिवाइडेड बाय 8, 57 divided by 9 and 38 divided by 6. ठीक है बेटा. First of all you have to make beautiful format of two lines, then you have to solve these sums. First of all arrange in the columns, ठीक है, columns में arrange करके फिर इन sums को करना है आपने, and you have to write the quotient as well as remainder, ठीक है. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आ रहा है तो आपने 0 लिखना है रिमाइंडर, और अगर रिमाइंडर आपका कोई और नंबर आ रहा है तो आपने वही नंबर लिखना है. क्लियर? Now the next is homework discussion of lecture number 4. So I had given you sums. Divide 21 by 3. So first of all here 21 is the dividend. So we'll write dividend here, and divisor is 3. So we'll write 3. Now we have to speak the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21. So we will write 21 below 21. Okay, and 7 at the quotient place. Now put the sign of minus. 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0, and 2 minus 2 is also equal to 0. So here 7 is the quotient, okay, and 0 is the remainder. So here we will write remainder, and our answer is Q7 and R 0. Now in B part, divide 48 by 6. So first of all 48 is the dividend, we will write 48. Then 6 is the divisor. Now we have to speak the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48. So here we will write 48 below 48. 48 के नीचे हम 48 लिखेंगे, and here we will write 8. ठीक है, quotient place पे. Now put the sign of minus. Now we have to subtract it. So 8 minus 8, ones place we will write 0. Okay, and 4 minus 4 is also equal to 0. Clear? So our quotient is 8. So here we will write 8 quotient, and 0 is the remainder. So here we will write remainder. So how we can write its answer? That Q is 8 and R is 0. Now in C part, it is given that divide 45 by 9. So here you can see that 45 is the dividend and 9 is the divisor. So first of all we will write a dividend 45 here, okay, and 9 at the left side divisor. Now we have to speak the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. So here we will write 45 below 45. ठीक है, 45 के नीचे हम बेटा 45 लिखेंगे, and at the quotient place we will write 5. Now we have to subtract, so we will put the sign of minus here. Now 5 minus 5, and 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So here we will write 0 at 1's place, and 4 minus 4 is also 0. So here we will write 0 at 10's place. ठीक है बेटा? So 5 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. So our answer is Q 5, okay, and R 0. Clear? Now in D part, divide 90 by 10. So here beta you can see that 90 is the dividend. So first of all we will write 90 and 10 is the divisor. So here we have to speak the table of 10. 10 की टेबल में बेटा 90 कौन से नंबर पे आता है? At number 9. So here we will write 90 below 90. ठीक है, 90 को 90 के नीचे लिखेंगे, and 9 here at quotient place. Okay, now we have to put the sign of minus. So let's start subtracting. 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. So here we will write 0. And 9 minus 9 is also equal to 0. So again we will write 0 here. Okay, so here in this question 9 is the quotient. So here we will write quotient, and this is 0 is the remainder. So we will write remainder here. Okay, and our answer is quotient 9 yani Q9 and R 0. Understood beta? Now you have to do practice of division sums with the remainder. Understood beta? Now in E part, it is given divide 24 by 12. Okay beta, here 24 is the dividend, so we will write 24 here, okay, and 12 is the divisor. So now here we have to speak the table of 12. 12 की टेबल में 24 कौन से नंबर पे आता है बेटा? 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So we will write 24 below 24. Okay, and 2 here at quotient place. Okay, now we have to put the sign of subtraction. Now start subtracting. 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0, and 2 minus 2 is also equal to 0. So here we will write 0 at tens place. So we can say that in this question 2 is the quotient, okay, and 0 is the remainder. So here we will write remainder, and answer is Q 2 and R is 0. Understood? Thank you.